Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. I am so excited to be back here again celebrating the Spring Fling event with Colourarte. We have a great lineup for you today, and I'm sure you already know you need to collect each of the secret words in each of the videos to create the secret phrase and then send that off to Leslie at Colourarte, and you have a chance to win a $400 shopping spree on their website. It's an awesome chance for you guys to get your hands on some of these products. If you haven't tried them, you have to. I do have a coupon code as well. I'll put that down below. So what I'm doing today. So I decided it's a spring event. I want to see that green on the trees again. I don't know about you, but I am ready. It's getting into the warmer weather here. I'm excited about that. So I decided I wanted to do one of my waterfall florals. If you're unfamiliar with those, you can go check them out. I have a bunch of videos on the waterfall florals that I do, and they're usually like more colorful with pinks and purples and blues, and I do have one other green one that I have on my channel, but this I wanted to do more of the greenery and to look like vines and leaves and just a really pretty welcome to spring. I was going to add flowers to it, but I decided against it. I just wanted to be green and get ready for that, for the flowers to bloom. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'm working on a 12 by 24 inch canvas. I'll go through some of the colors. I actually don't have all that many colors because I want it just to be variations of green to create the leaves and the vines. So what I have for you is the Vivid Intense, the new high flow acrylics that they came out with. And this is a phthalo green. So I just added that, and I did add a touch of Floetrol because all my paints are mixed with Floetrol, a touch of water. I didn't have to add any water to this because they were fluid enough. Obviously, the thicker paints, I need to add water. I also added into my phthalo green of my high flow, I added some Prism Pour, and this is Chantilly Lace, just to give it a little sparkle. Okay, the next color I have is the Dosana paint, and this one is the teal green. The next color I have is another Vivid Intense, and this one is green yellow. Pretty. I did add a drop of the Liquitex Basics light olive green into that just to darken it just a tad. If you can see, just a little bit, but it's so pretty light green. And then I have a lighter green. This is Liquitex Basics yellow green. So that's all the colors I'm going to be using. I'm going to be pouring on a white base and blowing it out and then doodling probably because that's what I like to do. So if you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I'm glad to be part of this awesome collab. And I hope you have a great day and enjoy all the videos. Remember to look for that secret word in my video coming up soon. It'll also be written on the bottom of the screen. All right, guys, here we go.
give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is...
All right, time for the secret word. The laughing. Make sure to write it down. Good luck.
I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.